Good morning. Today we will be talking about another important non-parametric test which is called Friedman test. This test is a non-parametric test for testing the difference between several related samples or block design. The Friedman test is an alternative for repeated measures analysis of variance, which is used when the same parameter has been measured under different conditions on the same subjects. Again, so the Friedman's ANOVA test is equivalent as an unparametric test is equivalent to the one-way repeated measure ANOVA or block design in the parametric tests. Let's take an example. Here we have 5 different samples of different foods, for instance, and we want to evaluate them using 10 consumers. So our consumers are the block here, because the evaluation of each consumer will differ from the other. So, and each consumer, he has to evaluate or she has to evaluate all the samples. So it's equivalent actually to the completely randomized block design. Is the blocks, and here the treatments S1, S2, S3, and S4, S5. Okay, let's go immediately to the mini tab and see how to do the analysis. Here is our variables, the consumer, which is the block. We have 10 consumers. 10, okay. And the samples, we have 5 samples. So it's a completely block. And our dependent variable is the rank. So block, treatment, and the dependent variable will go immediately to the statistics, non-parametrics tests, Friedman. Our response variable is the rank, and the treatment is the samples, and the blocks are the consumers. Okay, here's analysis of variance and the null hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis, and the p-value for adjusted. The adjusted p-value is 0.035, which indicates a significant difference among different samples that were tested. Thank you.